Okay, now student, one more chart which I am going to explain, that is frequency chart. Okay beta, see how can we plot a frequency chart. For that, some values we can take, and suppose in list 1 I have taken some values. You can say some values are repeated or some values are unique, like 70, 70, 70, these values are repeated. 90, 90, 90, some values I have taken which are repeated. Actually, why I have taken repeated values? Repeated value means 70, 70, 73 times. It means its frequency is 3. Okay, because we are going to form a frequency chart. So that's why to count their frequency using chart, we can represent or we can take some values more than one time. Okay beta. So list 1 is for values, or you can say some marks of some students you can consider here. In this selected value you can take marks of some students. Okay, so there is possibility of same marks of some students. So for this reason there is need to form a frequency chart. plt.plot list 1 we can find. So simply by using plot method we can form frequency chart. Okay, and this list 1 data we can pass. And here at line number 11, 12 and 13 and 14, these lines are very simple. You all are aware about these lines. What is the purpose of these lines? Nothing to explain about all these lines. Only you can see what is its output and what is the meaning of output. See here beta. Actually you can find 70, 70, 73 times. So see, in output one point is 70 is this. Beta देखिए, at 3.70 is there. One point is this 70 and second 70 is this and third 70 is this. Beta on in output chart you can find there are 3 points for 70. Okay, and 1 point for 66, as you have given here 66. So 1 point is 66. 45 is also 1. So you can find here 45, at 45 one value is there. And 30 is only one value. So for 30 you can find only one value. Okay. And here using x-axis we can represent total number of values. Okay, total number of values will be represented by x-axis, and for the values frequency will be represented by this chart which is in output. By this chart you can find frequency. Like 90, 90, 90 is also 3 times. So here you can find, see, at the top portion you can find 3 points for 9. 2 points you can see, but at middle third point is there also, because you can think this is equal to the distance. जो ये distance है, actually this field, this plot, this diagram cannot be selected here. Okay, but you can find distance of point 70. 3 points are there, 70. So total distance of point 70 is equal to the total distance of points 90. You can calculate it, and simply you can just watch and you can get what is the meaning or what I want to explain. Okay, so this is the frequency chart. So very simple question that can be asked in your examination, that is data may be given and you will be asked to form a frequency chart for that. Okay, so you can note it down also, it is important. Now I just stop this video.